So I just got word that I got a package. Okay, I'm gonna have to blur out all this stuff, but so I wanted to show this unboxing on camera, especially like since I'm super excited about this. And then I did forget to charge it first, but okay, apparently you didn't have to use a razor to open it. Anyways, oh, it's just a magnetic box. Oh my god. I'm hoping that I can show you this without charging it first. Hopefully it will work, but here's like all the instructions. Just want to show how cute this is. I constantly watched their page for so many years, just fantasizing the day that I could do a vanity, and so the fact that I actually have one of their mirrors, it's close enough, because honestly I love mirrors. Like I literally have one back here. Like I have that beautiful mirror. So I was just like, I'm super excited. So hello, that is so cool. It's very thin. You could take it with you places. There's a charger port right there, but look how just simple and pretty it is. Oh my god. Okay, so here is the cloth to clean it. That is so pretty cool. I saw some girls doing this, and then you just use this cloth to clean it. And then here is the holder. It opens. I don't want to do it too much because I don't think it opens all the... Ooh, okay, that's as far as it goes. Okay. I was like so scared for a minute. You get the phone clip, which is magnetic. I heard that it's supposed to be magnetic. That it just goes straight to the mirror. Like, that it just... okay, it does. Okay, cool. Okay, and then you put your phone in there, and then you can put it any way. No? Okay. You can only put it this way, but you can turn this anyway that you need. So glad that that came with that, because I was so excited when I saw some girls reviewing this, and I was just like, oh. And then this, I chose the 10X one, but that is the mirror that you can really see everything. This off, and then just put it on, and then take it off if you need. But magnet part is right in the middle. And it has like a pretty strong magnet. Like you kind of gotta, like it goes on, and like you can kind of see that it's like kind of like picking up the mirror a little bit. The charger, all their stuff is so cute and so professional. But then we also have like the little box for the charger, which looks like a hefty charger, and I believe that is, yeah, and it's a fast charger too. This is, I know I saw some people review, but I don't remember what that was. Oh, okay, like a little note. Oh, cute. Okay. Or like a little coupon in there. I love how professional everything is. And then like you could literally like take this out and then use the box again. Recap. So you get the cloth, the mirror, the phone holder, the little coupon. Oh, it's also Bluetooth, and then it's got 5 levels to it. And then this is, I guess, where you'll see like when it's charging and stuff, and the power button, and then it has like the selfie mode where you can take photos, and then it's got stands, and then the charger. So okay, so I'm just gonna put the stand down first, and then lightly put all this other stuff to the side. Okay, I'm just gonna clean it one more time just to make sure it's like really, really clean before I put it on there. We're gonna put it on. Ooh. Okay, so you can adjust. Oh my god, look how clear it is. I look crazy right now. I'm getting ready to do photo shoots again. But oh my god, my shirt. I mean, look how just crisp and clear it is. Like I mean, you got, but like, okay, anyways. I don't know. I'm just really excited. So hold on. That is absolutely gorgeous, just sitting on the desk. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. I don't know. I think you do have to charge it first. So let me go ahead and charge it. In the meantime, hello. This is so crisp, so clean, and like looks so pretty just sitting on the desk. It said here that you have to push that cord in very well, but also when it is in completely, you'll see a blue light here, and then you will see the charger, the green light's coming on for it charging. So okay, there we go. We're just gonna let it charge for 4 hours, and then we will come back and make another video, and it will be gorgeous. Okay, let's test it. It's been on there for I think at least 3 hours, so it should at least come on. Yay, it's on. Okay. I was a little scared because I was like, okay. All right, so that's, I guess, low. Okay, and that is, okay, I feel like it's still getting redder. Is it just my mind? Anyways, that is the brightness. Okay, oh, wow, just, it is so gorgeous. Like, Okay, I cannot get, my phone doesn't want to work, but yeah, I did my makeup and I did do my hair. But anyways, look how pretty it is. I'm going to be in love with this thing every single day. And you can adjust the thing back here to make it like relax all the way back. Woo, I'm trying to be careful, I'm doing one hand, but to make it relax all the way back, or you can with one hand squeeze it so it can come forward. Okay, here, turn that this way, and then okay, so now it is on. I'm gonna do the brightness all the way down. Okay, so this is going down. I'm gonna try to make sure my face is in focus for y'all. Okay, and then this is going up. Like, the quality of it, and like, this is like, you can see the texture of my face and all that, but like, it makes it where it feels like you don't even need a filter because of like how professionally blurred out everything is because of the beauty light on here. I think that is all the way up. It said 5 levels and I'm just like clicking. But let's test out the camera mode for a minute just to see how that does. Okay, so it says with Androids you would have to use the volume button to take the photos, and I have an S24. So just to change it out, you just take it off easily, since I'm doing this one-handed, and then you can put in, you can put in the zoom mirror, which I don't know, can I do? Yeah, okay. I look big. And so I am in love and I am super happy, and I honestly recommend this. I've been watching their page for so long and I'm really happy that I have this. Like, just the fact that it's like making everything look so professional and everything, and it's just like, I'm in heaven right now. Okay, and then there is it just on my desk being so cute, and then I'll turn on the light for y'all. 1, 2, 3. I'll turn the brightness up, and then I'll show you how it sits on the desk with the brightness on. So it is just too gorgeous, and I am just really happy that I have this, and I'm going to be using it every single day. It is gorgeous.